Now, I believe the core muscles are the most neglected group in the human body, yet they're some of the most important. Your core is the foundation of every movement you make, standing, walking, or even sitting. Everything becomes harder without a strong core. From bending down to pick up something to standing upright without pain. But the good news is you can start strengthening your core today. And I'll show you how in just a few minutes. Stick with me and you'll feel the difference right away. I'm Andy. I'm 77 years old. I'm a certified fitness instructor, a cancer survivor, and over the years, I've helped countless people like you stay strong and active with the 5BX60 program. Today, we're talking about something that doesn't get enough attention, your core muscles. They're the foundation of your body, and strengthening them can make a huge difference in how you move and feel. I'll show you exactly what the core muscles are, why they're essential, and how to get started with a simple tip to strengthen them today. Let me give you a simple tip to start building your core muscles. The modified crunch is one of the 5 basic exercises in the 5BX60 program. This is a super move for strengthening your abs, and it's part of why the program is so effective. The great thing about the modified crunch is that it targets your upper abs without putting unnecessary strain on your back. You'll feel your core strengthening immediately if you stick with it. You'll see improvements almost immediately. I'll show you exactly how to do it, and in just a moment, you'll notice how easy it is to do while still getting great results. Trust me, this is one of those exercises you can start today and feel the benefits in no time at all. So what is the core? Let's break down the core. When I say core, I'm not just talking about your abs, though that's part of it. Your core includes several muscles around your torso, like your abs, lower back, sides, and hips. It's part of your body that stabilizes everything else, so things like your balance, posture, and even basic movements suffer when it's weak. So what we want to do, and I know this is hard to see, so I'm going to pop it up on the screen so you can see it better. But for example, your rectus abdominis is the muscle that make up the six-pack. They help you bend forward and give you that front body stability. But it's not just about your abs. Your obliques are the muscles on the sides of your torso, help with twisting and bending from side to side. Then we've got the erector spinae, muscles along your spine. These are critical for your back support and posture. Don't forget your glutes. Those are your butt muscles, and they help stabilize your pelvis and keep you from falling forward when you stand up. Finally, the hip flexors at the front of your hips and the pelvic floor muscles below support your movements. They all work together to keep you stable, balanced, and moving safely. And this is where the 5BX program comes in. The program was designed specifically for people over 60 to help you build strength, improve flexibility, and to stay active, emphasizing strengthening the core. Now, many other fitness routines, they skip over the core to make it too complicated. But, 5BX60 keeps it simple, effective, and safe. We've got exercises like modified sit-ups, planks, and other moves that engage the muscles you need to keep your core strong without putting strain on your back. And the best part, you don't need special equipment. Just 11 minutes a day to get started. All you need are the 5 exercises, your baseline for health and lifespan. Okay, let's dive into some great exercises for building a strong core and keeping your back safe. First, let's talk about crunches. Crunches focus on your upper abs, which are much easier on your back than traditional sit-ups. They help isolate the upper part of your core, which is essential for stability. To do a crunch, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Put your hands behind your head or across your chest. Just make sure your elbows are wide. Engage your core and slowly lift your upper back and shoulders off the ground. Now don't pull with your neck. Let your abs do the work. Hold for a second and then lower down slowly. This helps build the upper abs without straining your lower back. Now let's move on to the plank, one of the best exercises for your whole core. The plank works your abs, lower back, obliques, and even your glutes. Basically, your entire core. This exercise helps with stability and balance. To do a plank, Start in a push-up position, but lower down onto your forearms. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders, and your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Straighten your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold that position. Make sure your back is flat and your hips aren't sagging. This engages your core, making it a great way to build strength. Before we wrap up, I want to challenge you to something a lot of fun and motivating. My Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge. Now, I've been jumping rope 100 times daily, and now it's your turn to join in. Whether you do 10 jumps or 100, it's all about getting moving, having fun, and don't worry about keeping track. Just jump and see how you do. You know, I've got some exciting news that I'm bringing back my weekly live YouTube bike junkets. Let's call them pedal and pause. It's where we hit the road, the open road traveling scenic bike paths and gravel trails, chatting along the way, or just soaking in the quiet beauty of the outdoors. And I'd love for you to join me, whether you ride along with me or just enjoy the scenery. It's all a great way to get out, move, and connect with nature. Stay tuned for the first ride coming up. So let's recap. Take a look at our takeaways today. So here's what you need to know. Your core is the foundation of your body. It supports your back, it helps with balance, and makes everyday movements easier. Strengthening your core doesn't have to be complicated. Start with exercises like crunches and planks. These simple moves will help you build the strength and the stability that you need, and with the 5BX60 program, you've got a safe, effective way to strengthen your core without straining your back. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. And for more tips on staying strong and active at any age, got questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. And as always, be sure to check with your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any health concerns. I just want to say thanks for joining us. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're feeling ready to strengthen your core and stay active. And don't forget to join my Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge. Tell me how many jumps you did, or post a video with the hashtag Beat Andy Jump Rope Challenge. And I'll see you in the following video. Until then, stay strong and keep moving.